Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another C-drama video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the C-drama A Love So Beautiful. If you're my Facebook friend, you would know how flooded my timeline is from all the Love So Beautiful posts, and since I can't shut myself down after finishing the series, I decided to make a video for it. It was my second time watching this drama. I firstly watched this drama around a year ago when I just began to watch C-dramas, because before that I was just a K-drama freak. I'm just so glad that I watched this drama again and it just didn't disappoint me at all. So in this video I'm gonna give you 6 reasons to watch A Love So Beautiful, and if you haven't watched the drama yet, I'm just gonna mention this, that this video might contain some of the spoiler, so you could just get the hell out of here. Without wasting any more time, I think we should start the video. A Love So Beautiful is a Chinese web series based on the novel To Our Pure Little Beauty by Zhao Ganzhen. The story is a high school romance about the one-sided love of Chen Xiaoxi to Jian Cheng. If you have seen the Taiwanese drama It Started With a Kiss, the story is a bit similar, but I will be explaining to you why you should still watch this drama before you judge. At number 1, it will give you some major high school throwbacks. We all have been there, where everything was so cute, simple and innocent. You go eat lunch on the school canteen with your circle of friends, failing or pulling an all-nighter during exams, running on the hallways, being chased by a guard, getting scolded by your teacher, and even embarrassing yourself in the front of the class. Those were the days where your only problem is how to pass your exam and graduate. No adulting responsibilities like the ones we all have now. Number 2 reminds you of your high school crush. We all had our crushes back then. I personally relate to Xiaoxi, since I used to like a girl before. Watching the drama made me remember all those high school memories I have had with her. Even just seeing her pass by our classroom was enough to make the butterflies in my stomach go wild. Don't you remember just talking to that person makes your day special? You steal glances when you have the chance, your friends teases you when she is around, and lastly, you seem to be loving going to school a little more. Number 3, it reflects real life events. The story does not evolve only to high school romance, it also shows real life scenarios like failing your exams, denying admission for college, that time when Xiaoxi thought her dad is cheating on her mom, when Jian Cheng's mom is forcing him to get a school that he doesn't like, Bosong's dad treating him only as a trainee, not a son, and lastly, Li Wei's struggle for depression. It's not all about killing. The series portrayed some of the major problems that we youths of today are facing. Number 4, Jing Xiao and Lu Yang's love story. Our second lead's couple story is what we actually want to happen to Jia Cheng and Xiaoxi. You guys, their love story is gold. I cried, it's just too sincere and sweet. Given the fact it also started as one-sided love, oof, I really want to spill everything, but I will leave it for you to watch. Number 5, Bosong's unconditional love for Xiaoxi. If I were to award him, it would be the most effort award. Cause really guys, he literally did everything for Xiaoxi. It's just second lead syndrome. I'm Jian Cheng biased, but his sincerity and affection towards Xiaoxi made my heart shook to death. He was there for her even when Jian Cheng was not. I just need this type of girl in my life. Number 6, Jian Cheng and Xiaoxi's cute moments. I just love how their characters improved as the series progressed, especially Jian Cheng's. Honestly, they don't need to go all out to make the viewers go wild. Little sweet gestures is enough to make us go gaga. That's how their chemistry works. Their story may be glitchy, but wait until you see it for yourself. I swear, you'd love it too. I will probably make another video about A Love So Beautiful, cause I'm that addicted. Obviously, I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I'm sorry about that. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I really do hope that you have liked this video, and if you have any other video suggestions, just feel free to comment down below. I will try to make videos on your suggestions as well. And if you have watched the video till here, just give a video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Drama YT, and yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you as well. It's called dramayt.k2, and just follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2, love, peace and hugs. It's really been a pleasure.
स्कूल के बस्ते पे के रोबोट को और संग है मियो को।